Andersen Construction is a general contractor construction manager. We focus on commercial buildings. Negotiated work typically is what we operate in. The strategy around the space is really to help bring in good talent, to have a place that our existing office staff can call home and feel comfortable to come to every day. We try to give them a place that when they come to, they want to be here. We spend quite a bit of time working together and collaborating in a one-on-one or one-on-three or three-person, four-person, six-person groups. So we tried to create those spaces, and I think we've been pretty successful at it. But it is good for recruiting, it's good for production, it's good for longevity for people. So their ability to sit and grab a water, a coffee, a beer even, and the different spaces that we've designed into our overall space, it's important for them to be able to do that. It's actually welcomed. It's not frowned upon. It might be construed as, oh, they're just standing around. They're actually communicating as a team. They're getting to know one another. They're talking about a project. They'll grab their Surface or their laptop, sit in an area, have a cup of coffee, and they're working. But it creates a more welcoming environment for sure throughout the entire organization. From the beginning, we had Agora here. It was actually built in as part of the design. We had talked with them about some of the coffee machines and water machines that they had, as well as the kegerators, beer meisters. So we had designed them into the design now and the space layout.
So the main products that we're providing Andersen Construction is our beer services. So we provide the kegerator and offer them local and national breweries to their office on a weekly basis. Secondly, our coffee service, which is kind of our flagship service. We provide equipment that makes espresso, lattes, mochas, pretty much the whole 9 yards. And then finally, we offer another new service that we started on called the Bevy system, which eliminates the environmental impact of bottled and sparkling water.
Andersen Construction is considered a very green builder. We do focus heavily on sustainability. It absolutely played a part in the choice of Agora, especially if you think about just the water bottles that you go through, that we used to go through. We had tons and tons of plastic, and now we don't. So it's become a lifestyle for us.
When I get here in the morning, I like to show up pretty early. I go straight to the coffee machine, I get it all ready. Getting coffee is sometimes a hassle, having to walk to the coffee shop, so it's right there. I don't even think about it really. I come in the morning, it's the first thing I do. I just make a cup of coffee.
We offer happy hours here at Andersen Construction. After 4:30 work's done, we have our kegerator, we've got wine on site, and it keeps employees here a little longer because they can socialize after work, have a beer, have a glass of wine, have a bubbly water, or even a coffee just to get you through the rest of the afternoon. So that's something that's really cool that Agora's helped us with, that we're able to offer right here on demand. We don't have to leave to go to a bar. We have happy hour right here in the office.
It's really nice when you're here having a long day, put in a 12-hour day, and you can just have a beer. It almost gives you a little extra energy to finish out strong.
I would highly recommend Agora. Honestly, the way things have worked out with us, it makes it easy to bring people up to see the space so they can get to know us better, who we are, how we operate, how we live.